Yeah, nation people. You know, I get ready for take with myself right about now. You know the Vybz Kartel and Steffon Don drop, right? Yo, me love it, nation people. It body. Yes, Steffon Don, me love it, girl. And I love you too, baby. No joking it. Yes. I sure do. Yeah, nation people. Me love it. It tough. Yo, one of the baddest crossover, oh hear me, one of the baddest collaboration me ever hear she do for dancehall music. No gimmicks thing not that about it. You're tough girl. You're a tough girl. Me like it. What me say me do? Me say me love it. It body of me say it body of fuck. Yo, Steffon, me love it. Right now, my circle iTunes, I know me not see it, but it's soon jump up because you know I buy more and buy it. And I been I tell my couple artists them, say it drop, all the way I search around the place, we not see it yet, but let's give it a little time. You know what I mean? Let's give it a little time. It's soon forward. On the iTunes chart. No joke shit not that about it. You see what I say? Yeah, you know, I really we represent. We not represent lollipop way. You see what I say? Gaza we represent each and every time. Yo, the boss shell over that. Him on Steffon Don. No gimmicks thing not that about it. So we look a bit now, man. You see I touch the road with the clip them load. Think we easy how much time I have to tell you now. A high grade man smoke a man in my bun beady. Yes. Sure will.
Drawings of the hallways.
Yes. Of the world, it's not a plan. You know that's what you're going, you know. Carefully, you know. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. Oh no, know it go already. When we come for represent. Full effecting man. You know it go. When we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion out ya. Watch me, the man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrified man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people. It could never get no better than that. You see me the collaboration, Vybz Kartel, Steffon Don and mom. See you tomorrow, my brother. Good. Tomorrow, mommy. Alright. Good. You can never ask nothing better than that. Yeah, man. I toughest dancehall collaboration Steffon Don ever do. She been a tell the people them say, I dream collaboration that. Yes, what I say? Well, the world boss fix our business. Me not think she want nothing more than that. Yes, what I say? Nation people, can I flip the script? Yes. I sure do. Yeah, nation people. What am I say? The song body of fuck. A whole heap of song drop today now. Big up Sensi, I like that song the way she dropped to. And look at Vybz and look at how they video. It's clean. What am I say? Me no know. The thing's super clean. A So New York City still when them bumbo hole they now go nowhere them a make up a bag of noise. Yo, them for take out them siren from them, you know what I mean? You don't go use it in emergency. Bumbo clot 10 star and go to work. And you are be a blood clot siren a play. Eh? What not deal with? Eh? I couldn't think of some form of gimmicks thing. Eh? And I say Steffon. And I say Vybz kartel and Steffon Don thing. Eh? I don't feel like some kind of gimmicks thing. Yeah, nation people. You see what I say? It's a single ride. I each up right here, so. Cause no joke shit not dead about it, you know. You see what I say? Like a one-way ticket. You see me? Alright. Well done. Kio me avoid this ambulance boy with them bag of blood clot nice. Yeah, nation people. I said the thing bad like yours. I love it. Yo, right now, I go watch where I go on. Because it sounds more like it can play upon certain type of radio station. So I go watch and see if it get tougher than if it get like tougher than the Shamil Muir and Vybz kartel. You see what I say? Yeah. But I not like to the nation people. I like that song for many different reasons. I like that song because of the baddest dancehall song Steffon Don have out there. And she get a dream collaboration like where Asia say. So respect to Steffon Don. You see me? And you don't know. The world boss an automatic thing that. You see what I say? Automatic respect. No joke shit not about it. And I see some people, hey Nicky, I see in the comment box I say I'm biased, you know. Because you see me, I take up fish and star. Let me tell you something. Yo, me no go Gaza by accident, you know. I go Gaza but for spite. You hear me? So when it comes to dancehall music, Gaza in my blood, you hear that, Nicky? No gimmicks thing and no lollipop thing. You know a Gaza Mount 90 rifle and Glock thing. You know a 10 star I represent. And you know when I represent, you know a Gaza where there ain't no other way. You see what I say? One general. Vybz kartel, no gimmicks business, not that about it. I don't know how much more wicked than that it can get. Eh? Nicky, behave yourself. You know, hear me I go on with nothing bias. You hear me talk about the clash, the way how it is. Me never add on and put on nothing. Come on, man. Behave on yourself. You see what I say? And as soon as I get home, don't feel like me not go talk about the song of Sean Storm. Don't feel like me not go do it as I reach home. Necessary equipment I go drop to them. I don't feel no joke thing. Right now I wait on the ground plane. It run underneath the tunnel. You see how dark it is? It's soon forward. You see what I say? And get me home just like Jerome. A 10 star, the general I represent. I say Steffon Don, one thing my bex about. I'm sorry I never see you in the video. I shake up that solar flex physics body where you have. Because I love it, you know. Yes. I sure do. No gimmicks in my game. I not lie about it. That's what I say. My best plus Patex. Say I never see you. I show off and I display that crazy looking body the way you have. Yeah, I tell you. No joke shit not that about it. See one of the ground plane you roll in. So you know in a couple seconds 10 star would be rolling home. No joke shit not that about it. You see what I say? Not even car fast like them thing in New York City. There's what I say, less a long distance you go. You can't make no sense. There's what I say. So I try to go on Nation people. I'm going to show you in your black. There's what I say. I 10 star the general or represent Nation people. Make sure you support the Vybz Kartel and Steffon Don song. There's what I say. Yeah, it soon come out for iTunes. General 10 star. Oh.